Another DJ in the dedication. Roots vibration. Entertainment in every nation. Back in the day when a rather dread was storing strong across Europe, spreading Zimbabwe and Malawi songs with original African reggae sounds on fire. I heard about a youth in Zim with a burning desire. A promoter told me this one will take it higher. A spirit called Zimbabwe looking to inspire. He was watching a rather dread roots to aspire, carrying the flame, lifting it higher. Reach across the ocean from Zimbabwe to UK, from Kadoma to Brighton. Now we stand firm, Bira in his hand, spirit in his heart. He played a mark tunes, we shared the stage. Our dread concerts, blazing fire together. This is not just a story, this is family, this is culture, this is roots in him grow. From youth to man, still true, still strong, still carrying Zimbabwe in every note. This one is dedicated to Pappa Linos Wengara.
Bira vibes eternal. Rise, youth like Linos rose, roots in soil but wings to grow. Carry your voice, carry your seed, from our land to every need. Pappa Linos, our guiding flame. We sing your name, we call your name. Hold the vision, feel the vibe, from Zimbabwe to world tribe. In the dust of Kadoma town, young Linos dream they held it down. Walking with ancestors in the night. Bira voices calling, guiding light. To the healing fires, to the earth song. He held the burden, he stayed strong. Cross the seas, bright and sure, carrying culture evermore.
If you can listen to his release, I tell you won't miss these amazing creations, pure vibrations.
What do you mean? Tell them Pakistani. Okay, how about his tunes?
Shumba,
Lion roar,
Dande, Minro, Swing Dance,
Saminuka, speak, Bukano,
raise your hand,
Tamba,
dance and live,
Shona,
rise up strong,
Hona.
see it clear. Crucialist roots man from Zimbabwe to the world. Pappa Linos still standing, roots flag unfurled. Carry culture in your hand, carry spirit in your chest. Bira vibes eternal. You know it's the best. Cold wind and the foreign rain, still he kept the fire, kept the name. In bright and snow, grey skies fall. He planted songs that still stand tall. Teaching youth, healing souls, holding history in his goals. Did not sell out, did not forget. Beacon shining when roads are wet.
Rise, youth like Linos rose, roots in soil but wings to grow. Carry your voice, carry your seed, from our land to every need. Pappa Linos, our guiding flame. We sing your name, we call your name. Hold the vision, feel the vibe, from Zimbabwe to Aju.
Now the youth stand tall and strong. Bira heartbeat, eternal song. In every voice, in every beat. Culture rising, can't be beat. Pappa Linos, show the way. Stay focused, never stray. Fame is nothing, spirit flame. Culture first, remember the name.
Rise,